Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, education must continue. La Filipina National High School is one with the Department of Education in the pursuit of the delivery of quality education. The school's strong partnership with its stakeholders and private partners paved the way for the preparation of the various learning modalities. With the donations of the groundwood paper from various business entities, from our former students, and from our parents, the school is currently printing the modules for the different subject areas in preparation for the opening of classes. The total donation of 138 Wi-Fi modems through the Adopt a School program and the Brigada Escuela compelled students to choose modular offline modality. In fact, some of the modems were already distributed to the Purok chairpersons of Barangay Kwambugan to facilitate the students' easy downloading of digital copies of the modules and the fast online submission of outputs through the free Wi-Fi access whose load may be sponsored by the Purok chairpersons. The modems will also be given to the needy students under the special program in journalism, which is now on its third year. The grade 7, 8, and 9 SPJ classes will use the online modality as its competencies call for it. The Wi-Fi modems were already used earlier as they were lent to students with special needs in reading. These facilitated the consistent online monitoring of students who have undergone the 8-week reading intervention program through video calls. Training among parent facilitators was also given in clustered barangays in La Filipina, Kwambugan, and Nueva Forza. The school's partnership with 98.3 Gold FM enabled the school to deliver lessons in all subject areas through the supplementary radio-based instruction, which is now on its second cycle. The medium is also used to deliver DepEd's different advocacies. Prior to this, trainings among teachers were conducted by the school. And now, through the partnership with LoveNet TV, with the leadership of DepEd Division of Tagum City, La Filipina National High School is embarking on the new journey through the television-based instruction for grade 7, 8, and 9, which completes the modalities offered by the school. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Salida La Filipina. Salida is a word for a television show or a series of broadcasts and programs meant to be viewed on television. Salida, as a noun, in the context of La Filipina National High School, means the showcase of its best, a showcase of its culture of excellence. Excellence in leadership, excellence in education, and excellence in public service. Salida, as a verb, is our imperative and our cheer for our teachers to always accept the challenge despite the limitations and to showcase their full potential. So in return, we can bring out the best from our students. Salida TV's logo is represented by the symbol of the palm tree. The city of Tagum is known as the Palm City capital of the Philippines. Taking the lead from DepEd Sulong Educalidad, the kite symbolizes the flight of our students' dreams. This kite is also used as the symbol of television at the same time. Ladies and gentlemen, the opening salvo with the Salida La Filipina TV's theme song.
Salida La kaalaman, huwag panghinaan. Salida la Filipina ay bigyan daan, ito ay magbibigay ng kaalaman. TV naman ngayon ang inyong paaralan, mahirap man ang inyong sitwasyon. Tayo ay magtulungan para sa edukasyon, bawat isa ay mayroong misyon, matutong mabuti, maging inspirasyon.
Salida la Filipina, ang iyong pangarap ay tiksa. Salida la Filipina.